I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of waste management. In this session, I'm going to discuss about e-waste generation. We have already seen what are the different type of e-waste. Nowadays, the modern ICT tools, as we are using the modern ICT tool, the things are becoming obsolete. After the usage of 2 or 3 years, we are actually discarding the items which is in our hand, so that that particular material become waste that is coming from like IT and computer tools, also telecommunication tools, etc. We have given a brief information about the e-waste scenario in our country in the previous session. Kindly go to that particular video. I'm going to put up the same video in the like whatever I did the video regarding e-waste scenario in India and globe, that I am going to put up in the I button as well as description box. Kindly go through once. Today we are mainly discussing about the reason for e-waste generation and some statistics we are going to discuss. So as you can observe, uh, regarding the e-waste, we need to talk about the e-waste generation. The electronic waste, it is also known as e-waste, is one of the fastest growing waste stream in the country, apart along with like wet carbohydrate based waste, like in the kitchen waste or leftover food. Those are belong to like the carbohydrate. Okay. The e-waste is also increasing day by day. Okay, year by year, there is a drastic growth of e-waste. Why? Because we have to think that the growth of information and communication technology, that is called ICT, growth of ICT tremendously increasing day by day. Technologies are updating and many of the things are outdating, okay, or many things are becoming obsolete. There is a enriched use of electronic equipments, exponential. There is a exponential growth or enriched growth of like electronic goods. Also, another remarkable fact is the obsolescence. That means outdating the technologies and the upgradation of new technology. Okay. For example, let me ask one thing. Are you using 1110 mobile phone as of now? No, nobody is using 1111 because everything is outdated. Are you using CRT monitor? No. So what about the existing CRT monitor? What they are going to do? Will they be repairing that? Never. That's not possible. Okay. They will discard those discarded items. Are you using CD right now? DVD right now? No. Correct. Yeah, still, we can say sometimes pen drive also becoming outdated in the forthcoming days. Correct. So we can say that the discarding of old products, which turns accumulate huge amount of e-waste in the solid waste stream. If you do the waste stream assessment, we'll come to know that the e-waste and the e-waste is having highest contribution compared to other type of waste. E-waste growing in India is around 10% because most of the markets are focusing at India. There are so many investors ready to invest in India because government support, then support from the people, support from the like a community, everything we can say. People are accepting that technology like upgradation and all. People are accepting. Like you can see about UPI payment. For that purpose, we require mobile phone. It must and should. Okay. Because of this, we can say that e-waste generation is increasing day by day, which is having greatest contribution compared to other type of waste. There is a graph which shows the comparison of developing countries, then developing countries, and undeveloped countries. So we can say like regarding the income, we can say, if I talk about the income, look at the high income countries, you can see about middle income countries, low income countries. You can see the usage of e-waste, then bio waste, etc. So similar plastic, then metal, glass, everything also part of a e-waste. So there is a drastic growth, especially in middle income countries as well as high income countries. Still, there are low income countries also. The usage is also getting increased. So that is a remarkable fact which you can observe. Okay. Especially if I talk about the high income group, especially the usage of plastic and usage of metal, then those things are very much high. So ultimately, we have to say that usage of ICT tool, then outdating the technologies and upgradation of new technology will be responsible for the drastic growth of e-waste. So if you have any queries, kindly put up in the comment box. They may ask the question like explain the reason for e-waste generation in the country and globe, in India and globe. Like that you can explain. Otherwise, what are the major reason for e-waste generation? Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Happy